What's this all about, huh? The chains of tyranny, the dove of freedom, and it says Mustafa Sufa Vafki. This must be some sort of media building. Yeah, it's a newspaper. A political newspaper. Interesting. I also want to believe. I apologize for the wind noise, but you have to see this view. What is this tower, guys? What is this big space age looking tower out there? It's incredible. And there's the green space I'm heading to now. Titties. So this would be a Muslim graveyard, I'm assuming. I could be wrong, but they have these square boxes where it looks like plants are being grown here. So rather than just leaving plants on the gravestone, you can actually grow them here. Camille Ugur, 1925 to 1991. And Ruhuna Fatiha. So I've stumbled across the home of some sort of very famous religious figure. Can you tell me who this is? This is Coragent. So this guy, his name is Coragent. And what's he famous for? He's a prophet? Is he a prophet?
Yeah.
Allah.
Yeah.
That's Allah's sword.
Yeah.
Oh.
And that name is Zulfikar.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Sorry if I seem disrespectful or I don't know the religion of Islam all that well. I just arrived here and so this is all really new to me. But they said it's okay. I asked permission to look around and he said yeah. Alright, I'm back in civilization. I moved through the graveyard and now I'm in this new area, whatever this is. I'm definitely in Turkey. One thing I've noticed about Istanbul is you can't go one block without a cat just owning that corner. And they don't care as long as you don't try to touch them, but they're everywhere. There's another one right there. There's cats everywhere. Maybe this one's friendly. Oh yes, hello. Hello, my friend. So here's a question. Do the Turkish worship cats like Cleopatra and the Egyptians do? See, I've never seen this before anywhere I've traveled, but they actually have cat houses for the homeless cats. Look at these seagulls. What a savage. You know him? Let's look in this shop, huh? They have all kinds of meat here, but it's all beef, right? It's all beef, huh? Beef?
All of them beef.
Yeah. No.
What you want?
There's no pork in Turkey, right?
No, no pork. They are not going to be selling any pork.
Yeah, of course not.
Most of the Muslims, the forbidden for pork.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I'm just showing people.
Yeah. But might be, that you can find it somewhere else, not here.
But not in this shop, you mean?
No.
Yeah.
Maybe special place.
Right.
Look from the from internet.
So this is chicken.
Yeah, chicken and the beef.
And this bird, he's a local.
Yeah, this is the bird. It comes from the sea. They are living in the sea,
And he's here for some free food?
Yeah, free food.
What does he eat?
Particularly meat.
He likes the meat.
Yes, of course.
All right. Oh, he's happy now. Thank you. That's cool. That's cool. I'm from Canada.
From Canada.
Yeah. So they gave me this sausage for free.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why, but they're very nice, very friendly.
Turkish hospitality.
Yeah. It's hospitality in Turkey. They're very, very hospitable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Leave it back.
All right, free sausage. And this place here is the Asli Charcuterie. There's that bird. Amazing, amazing. They gave me a free chunk of sausage. It was about $2 Canadian, and for all that sausage, that's a good deal. Trust me.
Bunu mu çekeceksiniz? Okay. Bir saniye.
What is this called? The name?
Kurabiye.
Kurabiye.
Pekmezli kurabiye.
Pekmez.
Pekmez.
Pekmez. Look at this, it's delicious. Put the chocolate on. So I think this is a date, and they're putting some cashews on top, or peanuts, I'm not sure, and inside it looks like raisins or dates. And this is a syrup. Whoa, looks delicious. All right, there she is. Let's give it the taste test. Oh, it's still warm. Oh, it's so flaky. The paste, it's a really tender pastry. You can see the layers of pastry in there. It's like a biscuit, but super buttery with a very, very light brown sugar taste in the middle. And the nuts add a perfect texture. It's so good. What the heck? What's going on? Hello. Shalom.
Ben.
Your name? You're working, huh? Hi.
Hi. I am sorry.
Hi.
I am sorry.
You're sorry? Why? Oh, your name is Suri. Tony. Yusuf. Working, huh? These guys are working on the recycling. Good looking guy. Yeah. Okay.
What's your name?
I'm Tony.
Abi.
Okay, adios.
Okay, görüşürüz. Bye bye.
Goodbye, bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Wow. These guys, they work really hard. They work on these recycling jobs. Grabbing cardboard. It seems like a really dangerous, hard job these kids are doing. Well, I've stumbled into a completely new biome here in Istanbul. Check this neighborhood out. Free samples of something. Looks like a hot chocolate.
Ver bir tane hemen abi.
Bir tane yarım koyar mısın?
Oh, okay, thank you.
Ramazan bu tarafa ver abi.
Oh, I skipped the line. Lucky guy. Oh, it's delicious. It's actually like fantastic tasting. Oh, it's really good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Here it looks like they're cooking some kebabs. Sort of. The biggest problem I'm having here in Istanbul is not being able to eat everything. I just want to eat everything. Well, what do you guys think? Would you like to visit Istanbul? I know I'm having a great time. I think this is such an interesting, vibrant city. I can't wait to see more.